What's up, guys? This is Mari back with another video, and today I am going to show you how I achieved this super duper sleek curly low ponytail on my natural type 4 hair. My hair is like a mutt, y'all. I have a mixture of 4A, 4B, 4C. I found a method that worked best for my hair, and this would be very useful to you if you're one of those naturals that have like multiple different hair types in your hair. If you want to see how I did this, keep watching and I will see you in my bathroom.
So I'm starting off with 2 braids. I had my hair like this for about 2 or 3 days, and that helped to give the middle part of my hair a really good stretch. The middle part of my hair is where I have the most shrinkage, and that is where I have the 4C texture. The outer part of my hair has a looser texture, but the closer and closer you get to the middle of my head is where I have the tightest, most coily hair. So my hair texture is really weird. I do not have one specific hair type. I'm using the Edge Booster Pineapple Hair Gel and a mix of olive oil and shea butter in the other tub. It has more olive oil in it than shea butter. And the reason why I would suggest to do the 2 braids is because it allows your hair to stretch more in the middle if your hair is has a tighter pattern in the middle, and it allows your hair to lay down more, so that when you do the process of putting the bands in your hair, you won't have to use as many bands to make your ponytail sleek and flat. And right here, I'm just kind of separating my hair and detangling it just a little bit to make it a little more flatter. I'm just using the Demon brush on the ends of my hair, but not too much. I'm trying to finger detangle as much as I can. And now I'm starting off with parting my hair. I like to use the rat tail combs with the metal end. That allows your part to look cleaner and more, it looks more neat and more professional overall, to give the appearance that someone else did your hair. But we are doing this at home to save some coins. And I'm just using the Demon brush a little more to do a little more detangling at the ends. On an everyday basis, do not use a Demon brush. Well, I'm using like a off-brand Demon brush that I bought from Ulta, but do not use your Demon brush on your dry natural hair most of the time. I'm just doing this for today because this is one of those styles that I would not wear every day. It puts a lot of tension on your hair, but this is something quick and cute for this Christmas party that I'm about to attend. And right here, I'm about to start putting the shea butter / olive oil mix and the Edge Booster Gel on my hair. And guys, when I tell you, this pineapple scent smells so good. It's giving me pina colada vibes. So right here, I'm just using the olive oil, shea butter mix, and conditioning my hair. Take your time. Do not rush it when you're finger detangling your hair. You don't want to cause so much breakage on your hair that could be avoided. So as you can see, I'm just going section by section, just taking my time. This stuff will help weigh my hair down even more to give my hair a flatter appearance. Now after that, I'm using my Edge Booster Gel, and as you can see, this gel molds your hair in place so good, and it keeps it in place forever. Your hair will literally stay molded all day and the next day probably. It depends on your hair, but this is some good molding gel. This is the only thing that I would use this gel for, strictly molding only. I've seen some people do the wet hair look with the Edge Booster Gel on their hair, and my hair was not having it. It just made my hair feel really weird and stiff and dry. No. Molding only. So I have that part done, and now I'm taking the second part and moisturizing it, finger detangling, adding the gel, basically doing the same process that you saw in the back. And do you see how my hair is laying so flat to where I only have to do 2 sections to make my ponytail look super sleek? So putting in the extra work by doing the 2 braids the day before, evenly distributing product around my hair, really made it all worthwhile. Doing 2 sections is so much easier than trying to do like 3 or 4. As far as when you're trying to put like a elastic band on your hair for the ponytail. And I'm still just going section by section. Now, when I got to this part right here, the part of the hair that you see left out, that was the most difficult for me, and you will see a little bit of that in the video. This gel molded my hair too good. When I started trying to brush it in the direction I wanted it to go, it became a challenge for me to do that. So eventually I did have to get some water and just spray that section right there that you see me using the Denman brush at. So that's why it got a little curly right there. And the water did allow me to shape it more and made it easier to brush. That edge booster gel is the truth. It'll put your hair in place really quick. Okay, this part right here is where I had to spray the water. Right in the front, I didn't spray it anywhere else, but just this section right here that you see in the front. I almost gave up. I'm serious. This video almost was not uploaded. But thank goodness for water. Okay, so it came out perfect, exactly how I wanted it to. And I'm just doing my edges. I forgot to put this product in the video earlier, but I'm using the Edge Booster Edge Control. This is the best edge control I've ever used. Most edge controls did not work on my hair, but this stuff right here, it'll keep your edges in place all day. Now I'm putting 2 styling wraps in the area that I did my edges. You don't necessarily have to use that. If you have a satin scarf, you can use that as well. And I kept this on my hair for about 30 minutes. You can do between 20 to 30 minutes. It helps to keep your edges in place even longer and really mold your hair down. So this is one option. If you're not for the drawstring ponytails, you can just wear your real hair. But if you want your hair to be a little more voluminous, if you want your ponytail to be a little more voluminous and you just want to wear a drawstring ponytail, then you can do what I'm about to do next. I did the drawstring ponytail because I just wanted just more volume, and yeah, I just want it to be a little extra. So I'm just spraying this old drawstring ponytail that I had with some water and some foaming mousse. You can just use whatever, use some gel, whatever you have, girl. And I cut the combs out of my drawstring ponytail. I really don't care for using the combs that are on there, so I cut those off, and I'm wrapping the string around the ponytail now. And then I'm going to get some hairpins and just pin the ponytail down. If you're worried about your ponytail falling off, girl, just use some more pins. Use as many as you can. I don't want to have the same incident like my grandma did back in the day. One day she was at work and she was walking and she walked past this tree and she felt pressure on her hair, so she turned around and her ponytail got caught in the tree. It was no shame in her game, honey. She went back and got that ponytail and put it right back in her head. And so I'm taking the bottom part of the ponytail, like just taking a big chunk of the bottom part, wrapping it around. And I'm just adding in some more pins to secure everything, and I am good to go. Quick tip of the day: after taking this hairstyle down, wash your hair really good so that you can get that product buildup out of your hair. Your hair will thank you. And we are done. I'm super satisfied with the results and so happy. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more. Thanks for watching.